happens in Vegas doesn't always stay in Vegas. This time it traveled with you back home. Now your skin is swollen. You can barely breathe and it hurts when you pee. That hotel pool party might have been a bad idea. How to Survive presents why you should never go in a Las Vegas swimming pool. Don't mean to ruin your trip to Vegas, but pools in warmer weather have high bacterial or viral counts in the water. Add some drunk, sick, or hungover guests, and you have yourself a soup seasoned with germs and dirt. According to Dan Kazita, a chemical officer for the U.S. Army Chemical Corps, you should never get into a pool in Las Vegas. In the late 90s, he was asked to analyze a suspicious substance at a Las Vegas hotel. During the investigation, a sample of the hotel's pool water was taken. It was a false alarm for the substance, but the pool sample appeared to have animal and human fecal matter. This was in addition to human urine and trace amounts of cocaine and ketamine. It also had diarrhea-causing parasites, adenoviruses linked to respiratory conditions and pink eye, plus rabbit fever bacteria. Why is it dangerous to pee in a pool? Why could eating by the pool be a bad idea? And how could stripping keep you safe? A 2019 survey by the Water Quality and Health Council of the U.S. asked 3,100 adults about their pool manners. 40% of adults admitting to peeing in public pools, while 24% said they would enter within 1 hour of having diarrhea. 48% said they never shower before going swimming, even though 64% said they knew that they should. That's pretty gross, right? So you know where to start. Step 1. Keep it clean. Shower before you enter a pool with soap, especially if you've gone to the bathroom recently. Try to wait at least 1 hour after going number 2. Most people don't. This explains why many pools contain bacteria normally found in the human gut, such as E. coli. What about urine? I bet chlorine takes care of that, right? Well, not exactly. Better go to the washroom. Step 2. Don't trust chlorine. It might kill some germs, but it doesn't necessarily keep you safe. Chlorine can react chemically with substances that we introduce into the pool, including our urine, sweat, and sunscreen. Studies have outlined how the chemical byproducts of these reactions produce potentially cancer-causing agents. Less than 1 hour in a pool is enough time for your body to absorb alarming levels of these byproducts. The reaction can also create a chlorine and ammonia combo called chloramines, which can lead to asthma or asthmatic symptoms. And parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, which can cause diarrhea, are highly resistant to chlorine. Never swallow water from the pool. Step 3. Start stripping. I'm talking about pool test strips, of course. Yes, it's sad to be the responsible person on a trip to Las Vegas, but everyone will thank you when they get back home healthy. Use a pool test strip to make sure chlorine and pH are at the right level. Try to avoid pools that are open for extended hours, as they likely do not take breaks to clean their water. Read the crowd. Does that drunk guy with a margarita in each hand look like he cares about pool hygiene? Yeah, I didn't think so either. Step 4. Damage control. The sun is out, your favorite DJ is playing, and everyone is having fun. You're only human. No one will blame you for taking a dip. Take a bathroom break every hour. Wear sandals around the pool to prevent your feet from contacting fungi that could cause athlete's foot. Take off your bathing suit immediately after swimming. Lying around in wet clothes could get you a yeast infection. Don't eat right after you get out of the pool. Your hands are still covered in a ton of germs and dirt, so keep them away from your mouth. Take a good shower, use soap, and dry well. Make sure you don't have water in your ears. If you develop symptoms like coughing, muscle pain, or fever, you may have been exposed to Legionella. You will have to see your doctor and receive antibiotics. You survived that dip at a Las Vegas hotel pool. Maybe next time you could go to the beach instead. This one looks nice. You just need to avoid the great white sharks and riptides. But don't worry, we're here to help you with that. Next time on How to Survive.